Is this a paid internship, and did you have to quit in order to take the internship?
Yep, it was a barely paid internship, and it was a paid internship, but it was not a long-term sustainable solution for sure, and there was nothing guaranteed at the other side of that internship as well. So I was giving up my
your 100,000
secure job,
whatever it was.
That's right.
100,000 pound
that's
job,
right. Something like that,
something around there.
So something like that.
For a
Something around
job
there,
for only a 3-month stint, paying you a couple $1,000 a month or something.
Yeah, that's right. And exactly. And it, I wasn't doing it for the money, but I was thinking long term. And it was kind of a bold move. Yeah. I know when I sort of leaned out to my family members for advice, some of them were kind of like, I don't know, Ryan, like this seems risky. And I thought, yeah, I guess it's risky, but this seems like a good shot. And looking back, I feel like that was actually a really, really valuable tool to make that transition. I'm a big believer in the internship.
What was a valuable tool? The internship itself?
Yeah, the structure of doing the internship, I think, is actually really, really helpful for both sides. I mean, it was great for me because it let me really feel out the company and get a good sense for what I'd be doing, and be very like methodical and figure that out. It was great for the company for the same reasons, as well as like, you can sort of like get a feel for the candidate, and then there's sort of like a locum environment. It's not, you don't feel pressure to try and fit a square peg in a round hole if there isn't a fit.
But you had already had conversations with the partner here, and so when you kind of came in and put your hat in the ring, tell me like how you communicated that. Was he like, what are you doing? Why would you leave your position for an internship with us? Did he warn you at all? Because I would be a little bit uncomfortable having known you and talked to you and trying to give you advice. If you were like, actually, and I'm going to quit my TAS job that's paying me really well to come intern for you, almost with like, there's almost an expectation on me to take you full time. So how did you kind of?
He clarified that for sure. And he's like, we don't know what we're doing. This is supposed to be 6 months. And like, after that, we don't know what's going to happen afterwards.
Okay.
And yeah, so he was upfront about it. And I accepted that risk as well. It was a unique opportunity, right? Like, like you say, it's difficult to crack it in general. I was, again, sort of like a unique background, and this is a company that I really wanted to work for. So I was like, you know what, people kind of said, are you sure you want to do this? But there was never really any doubt in my mind. My gut said it was the right move. So I just jumped in and went for it.
And so what was the worst case scenario? You go 6 months, they say no. At like month 5, they say, hey, you better start looking, kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then you're kind of back in the job market. Okay.
Yeah. Back in the job market. I probably could have gone back to EY if I wanted to.
Yeah. Okay.
But
so that didn't happen.
I could have landed my feet.
You were there for 5 years.
Yeah, there for 5 years.
So tell me how things evolved from intern all the way up to principal or VP, however you want to call it.